out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Morning, Scooch.
Morning, Caddy.
Morning, Diggs.
Good morning, Carrie, my forky friend.
Woo!
Well, hello, Scooch.
Morning, Diggs.
Morning, Maxine. Looking forward to finishing off the car park today.
Not really, Carrie. I wasn't very happy with my concrete yesterday. Not up to my usual standard.
Oh dear. What about you, Lug?
Well, I don't really like multi-story car parks. Give me a good old single story any day.
Oh, everyone seems very grumpy this morning.
Blowy, blowy, blowy.
Oh, phew! It's really windy. Oh, you're not grumpy, are you, Carl?
Oh, no. Thanks to my new extra tight fan belt, I slept like a top. And I was so excited about getting started, I kept my grabber attached all night.
Well, I'm pleased someone's happy. Morning, Bose. Oh, no.
Well, I have no idea what happened. But whatever it was, we have to build it back up again.
Aren't you going to try and find out who did it, Boza?
We don't have time, Carrie. We have to get this job done.
I've got time. I'm not even on this job. Why don't I investigate? Scooch and Diggs can help me.
Huh?
Well, okay, but don't get too carried away.
As if I would. Right. We're going to find whoever did this, and they are going down.
Oh, down. Down where?
We're going to search every outhouse, supply house, big house, small house.
Carrie,
What?
you've got something on you.
No time to worry about things like that, Diggs. Oh, we need to search for clues.
Oh, what kind of clues?
Traces of exhaust fumes, skid marks.
Carrie,
What now?
don't you think it might have been better if we'd looked for clues before they started work?
Behind, behind.
Okay then. As we don't have any clues, let's look at our suspects.
Suspects?
Oh yes. Everyone here is a suspect.
Oh.
Even you two.
Us?
It looks like the usual suspects. It feels like the same old crew. It could be her we're looking for. For sure, it could be you. It seems it's the usual suspects. She'll solve this mystery. She'll name the name who's at this game. It's plain for all to see. It looks like the usual suspects. She'll just need a clue or two. We can't deny she's had her eye on him, on her, on you. It feels like the usual suspects. She'll line you up and then it won't be a case of if it's solved. It'll just be a case of when.
There's really only one way of finding out. We're gonna do a stakeout.
I brought some steaks.
No, Scooch. A stakeout is where we stay up all night with our headlights peeled.
Oh. For what?
They're criminal. You see, they always return to the scene of the crime. Now, all we have to do is stay awake. Well, I was right about the criminal returning to the scene of the crime. So, who would do this? Why would they do this? Huh? And what's that piece of paper stuck to me? Oh. Huh? Oh.
Well, I got everyone here just like you asked, Carrie.
Good. 'Cause now I'm going to tell you who done it.
Oh, no! I hope it wasn't me!
Yeah.
Well, first, I thought it might be Maxine.
I wasn't very happy with my concrete yesterday. Not up to my usual standard.
Then I thought it might be Lug.
Well, I don't really like multi-story car parks. Give me a good old single story any day. Oh.
But then I found a piece of really important evidence, and now I know who done it. It was Carl the Crane.
I done it!
Allow me to explain. When we saw Carl on the first morning, he said,
Thanks to my new extra tight fan belt, I slept like a top. And I was so excited about getting started, I kept my grabber attached all night.
But then I found the fan belt instructions, and they say quite clearly, if the fan belt is extra tight, it could cause sleep motoring. So Carl was motoring in his sleep, and as he had his grabber attached, he was destroying everything in his path.
Oh, Bowser, I am so sorry.
Oh, don't worry, Carl. Could have happened to any truck.
So, case closed.
What case? There was a case? I never saw a case.
Oh, Scooch.
What?
Okay, everyone. Let's get this mess cleared up.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.